In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cast Google Photos to TV. If you want to display your pictures on a bigger screen, Google Photos makes it very simple. You can cast directly from the app on your phone, tablet, or even from a computer, as long as your device and your TV or your streaming device like Chromecast are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. That part is very important because if both devices are not on the same network, the cast option may not work properly or your TV may not appear in the list. To begin, open the Google Photos app on your device. Once you're inside the app, take a moment to browse through your library and find the photo you want to show on your TV. This works especially well if you're sharing vacation pictures, family moments, screenshots, or any image you want everyone in the room to see more clearly. After you find the image you want to display, tap on it so it opens in full view. This makes sure you're casting the specific photo you want instead of just staying in your main gallery view. If you're planning to show multiple pictures, it's a good idea to start with one image first, then you can move through the rest once casting begins. Next, press the three dots to open more options. In that menu, select Cast. Depending on your device, the cast option may appear slightly differently, but it will usually be easy to recognize by the cast symbol or by the word itself. If you do not see it right away, just check the menu carefully and make sure your TV is ready to receive the connection. Once the list of available devices appears, choose your TV or Chromecast. After you select it, the photo should show up on your TV screen within a few seconds. From there, you can swipe left or right on your mobile device to move through your photos, and the TV will update as you go. This makes it easy to turn your phone into a simple slideshow controller. If the connection takes a moment, that is normal, especially on slower Wi-Fi networks. Just give it a few seconds. And if your TV does not appear, the most common fix is to double check that both devices are connected to the same wireless network. That's all it takes. Open Google Photos, choose your image, tap the three dots, select Cast, and pick your TV or Chromecast to start viewing your photos on the big screen.